Hello, it's Dan at HRC 2025, and I have the Prowrap stand. How's the product been at the show? Everyone enjoying seeing it?
Yeah, I think now that we've moved production back to the UK, we've got more of a sustainable offering. A lot more people are engaged with what we have to offer. So I feel we've got a really good product at a good price.
That's amazing. And you just mentioned to me off camera that the product itself is being used in the live skills theatre. So that's a really great hands-on experience.
Exactly. Yeah. So it's good to see the chefs using the products. Obviously, getting some really good feedback. Which is great.
That's amazing, and it's great exposure for the product as well, being right next to the skills theatre.
Exactly. Yeah.
Yes.
It is. Yeah.
And I guess you've got the added boost of the award-winning status now in the World Catering Technology Awards.
Yes.
You've won multiple awards for this product, so this is quite an accolade.
Yeah, so basically over the last week we've won quite a few awards. We're absolutely over the moon with what we're doing as a team and the product offering that we have. And it's onwards and upwards really.
That's really good to hear. So could you explain a little bit more about what the product is and the sustainability aspect of it?
Yep, so we've basically brought all production back into the UK. So we manufacture all the products here at Bristol. Less carbon footprints. We've also got on the refills, we've also got less plastic, so we've removed all the plastic bungs now.
Yeah.
And we've designed like a notch core which will fit the widget in the machine. So that's been great as well in terms of how much plastic reduction we've done. We've got also Eco Clean, which is a 100% recyclable cling film. And actually it gives you really good cling properties and strength, and it's a really good alternative to PVC.
Yeah.
And we also have Infinity Foil, which is made from recycled content but can be recycled again.
Amazing. So whereabouts is this product available at the moment?
So our route to market is through distribution. We have lots of distribution partners, we can basically point you in the right direction, essentially.
That's incredible. So for larger scale hotels, restaurants looking at improving their ESG and sustainability, this is probably a very good step to be taking in the kitchen.
Yeah, exactly. All the benefits that I've just mentioned now is a massive tick. We also have a safety blade as well. So when we've done the research, a lot of the chefs would tend to cut their fingers on other dispensers in the market.
Yes.
So we've got a safety blade feature now where basically no more cuts, so it makes it more hygienic and more safer.
Wow, it's ticking all the boxes across the board then.
It's great. We feel like we've got a really good product.
Amazing. So if any of our audience was interested in getting these products, how can they find out more information?
Basically all they need to do is contact sales@wrapex.co.uk. You can either speak to myself, Mill, or the team, and we're happily putting them in the right direction.